Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot suspended Jotform account, and I will show you how to troubleshoot if you have a disabled Jotform account. Let's get started. So if you receive this notification that your Jotform account is suspended, or your account has been suspended by our phishing prevention system, this is Jotform phishing prevention system, all you have to do is get in touch with their support or create a support ticket to be able to troubleshoot this. They will be answering your questions. I am from the Philippines, and when I send them the support issue or the issue, the ticket, they immediately answer to my queries. There are two possible reasons why your Jotform account has been suspended and disabled. One is if you are using a free version of Jotform, maybe you've exceeded the limit of sign-ups. Okay? And the reason why you have exceeded the limit of sign-ups from your previous data or your statistics, for example, you only have an average of, let's say, 10 sign-ups, and for this month, that is from previous month, and then for this month, you've exceeded the limit for free version. Free version allows 100 sign-ups. If you've exceeded the limit, maybe because you have spam sign-ups. So these are the two things that you need to look out for or to watch out for on your Jotform account. So if you are using a free version and you've exceeded the limit, if it is a legit sign up, there's no other way for you but to upgrade your account. But if you think that the sign-ups are spam, you should consider doing some security precautions for this sign up, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, I am now signed in to my Jotform account, and we are going to edit our form that is that caused the suspension. Okay, because when I was doing a support consultation, Jotform informed me that our account has been suspended because of spam submissions on our form. Some of them has hit our trigger list and caused a suspension on our account. So they will manually review it, and if they, after investigation, is not in violation of any of their terms of use, they will immediately reactivate the account. So they've activated my account already. Okay, they've activated my account already. I am inside my Jotform account, and we are going to edit one of the form. Okay. Okay, we are going to edit it. So just click the edit form in here. Choose the form that you are going to edit, and then we are going to insert or add a security features for that form. So click this plus sign button, and then click this CAPTCHA. You have different options on how to insert your CAPTCHA. This could be the reCAPTCHA version 1, the version 2. They also have the reCAPTCHA version 3. This one. So they also have the JotCAPTCHA. So as you can see here, this is the JotCAPTCHA, and this is the reCAPTCHA. Okay? And then inside, you also have an option to do Google Invisible reCAPTCHA. This is reCAPTCHA V3. So you can turn that on. This field will be invisible for the sign-ups, and reCAPTCHA V3 does not affect user interaction. So your sign up, so you can run it whenever you want it, and it is invisible on your form. Plus we have, so if you want a math CAPTCHA inside your form, you can add that as well. So just click widgets in here and look for the math CAPTCHA. Math CAPTCHA. There you go. So this is the math CAPTCHA that I've added here, and if you still want more CAPTCHA to be inserted, you can just click here, CAPTCHA, okay, here, and then add the CAPTCHA that you prefer. So we have a lot of options for CAPTCHA. All you have to do is just choose the best CAPTCHA for your form. So those are the different CAPTCHA options we have. We have the Google reCAPTCHA V2 in here, but you can also use the JotCAPTCHA. This is the JotCAPTCHA, and if you use the Google reCAPTCHA, you can also have the Google Invisible reCAPTCHA, which will be it will not affect your user interaction. And then you are going to save it and publish it. This is not yet planned. It will not change what you have on your website, so you need to redo or to add again. Okay, just remove this for now because I have the math CAPTCHA in here. So if you publish it, you will need to again embed the code on your website. So if you choose this one, the source code, you will need to copy and paste it on your website. So we need to embed our code through our website. So if you choose the iframe, you need to embed it, and then if you use the source code, you can you should redo the code inside your website. So if this is the because I am using DV, so if you need to redo or copy the code and paste it, you need to re-embed the code that you have to your website. So you will not just simply change and edit the form, the Jotform. You need to you need to configure what you have on your website. You need to get the code again and embed it on your website.